Na mwĩrĩ wa Sharon Jepkosgei ũrĩa wakuĩrĩire bũrũri wa Australia nĩ ũkinyĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, famĩlĩ yake ĩkĩambĩrĩria mĩhang'o ya mathiko. Sharon akuĩrĩire rũĩ-inĩ rwa George Sydney bũrũri-inĩ wa Australia kũrĩa methambagĩra na arata ake. Gũkũ famĩlĩ yake yugĩte atĩ athiĩte bũrũri ũcio gũthoma na nĩ morĩirwo kana nĩ morĩtwo nĩ ngatha.
Last year tulipopata ripoti ya kwamba anataka kwenda Australia, hakika tulishikana mkono kama mandugu na madada tuwezeshe Sharon aende Australia. Nikikumbuka last year baba yake alikuwa amechenga nyumba yake akafikiria mali, so hii safari ya ghafla ikakuja ikabidi asimamishe.
Sikumit Sharon tukiwa Australia because alikuja just 3 months. So hiyo time yenye tulikuwa tukutana naye Judy akiniambia tutafutie kazi, ndio wakati nilikuwa ninakuja. I just came a week and that Tuesday nikaambiwa hiyo maneno imefanyika, but I really knew her and I want to really say it was so sudden. Hiyo news really hit the whole of Sydney, the whole of Australia, all the states, and we just pray that God gives us all courage, because literally we are all scared at the moment, because you're like, if this is how it will be happening, it's not so good, not just to the family but to everybody who is planning to go to Australia.